subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Sony has finally launched its new smartphone in the US called Xperia Pro with some professional camera features, and it can act as a monitor for your existing camera or a camcorder. Talking about the specifications, the Sony Xperia Pro features a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display with a tall 21:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Xperia Pro supports a Zeiss featured triple camera setup on the rear at the top left corner, including LED flash and a TOF sensor. The AAA camera includes a 12-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus another 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support and another 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 124-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 and it comes with Dolby Atmos audio technology for better sound experience. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 21 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 or 68 compliant for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 170.18 by 76.2 by 10.16 millimeters, and it weighs around 225.1 gram. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Sony Xperia Pro has been priced in the US at $2,500 and it is now available for purchase in the country in black color option. So, what do you guys think of this Sony Xperia Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.